Hello, my name is Alex Berger, and I'm a CRM here at Conexio. Welcome to Conxport. Before you dive in, here are some pointers that will help you navigate the system, configure your account, and get you started. Upon logging in, you will find yourself on the My Conxport apps page of your system, which provides a list of all applications that you have access to. By clicking on the application name, you will be taken to the reviewer's desktop, where all of the submissions to the system are received and organized. The first time you arrive at the reviewer's desktop, you will be asked to select your grid column headers. This allows you to decide which information from each submission you would like to see in the main grid view when you are on the desktop. To select a desired header, simply click on the plus sign next to the question name from the right-hand list. I also recommend adding the status and submit date question types, as it is almost always helpful to know the status of a submission within the decision-making process and the date on which the submission was received. Once you have set up your grid, any submissions that have been received will appear on your screen. The reviewer's desktop is divided into two main sections. The left-hand sidebar contains any filters that you may have access to, reports, and shared items. Filters are designed to show you a portion of the submission data that exists in your system based on preset criteria. They will help you find submissions you are looking for and provide some organization within the desktop. Reports can be created on the fly by individual users. Any reports you create are specific to your account, and other users will not be able to see them. They are stored here until you delete them. It should be noted that the first time you enter a filter or report, you will be asked to set up your grid columns just like we did for the overall desktop. In the event that a colleague wants you to see a submission that does not appear in a filter you have access to, they will share it with you, and a notification will appear in the sharing section. You will be able to click on the notification to view the submission's details. The right-hand side of the reviewer's desktop is dedicated to the grid of submissions. To view a submission's details, simply click on the submission. From this view, you will be able to print a submission's details, email a submission to someone outside of the system, and most importantly, change a submission status. To change the status, simply click on the Status drop-down and select the new status from the list. Now that you have set up your grids and have an understanding of how filters and decision-making work on the reviewer's desktop, you are ready to begin reviewing submissions in Conxport. For more detailed instructional videos on the different features in the system, please visit the Conxport YouTube channel.